Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to solve this issue. So let's say you want to search on your Google Chrome browser. Let's say Google, and it is redirecting you to another search engine. That is, it is not even opening, as you can see. So you can't change it to another search engine, as you can see, because of this virus that is blocking your Google search engine, that is Google search console, that is Google search on your Chrome browser. So guys, don't format your machine, because I heard most of you guys be like, I'm unable to do this, you want to buy premium antivirus. Don't do that. So I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can solve this issue without you buying any antivirus or any software to remove this. So let's get started. Okay, the first way is that you simply need to go click on this three dots. Let's say, okay, we are going to click on extension. After that, you click on manage extension. Okay, from here you can remove it directly, but if this does not work for you, I'm going to show you guys another method in which you can remove it. So you just click on remove, click on it's automatically going to remove. Okay, if this method does not work for you, all you simply need to do is that if you are using the Windows 10, you simply need to come here, you click on the search bar, you search for register. So this is it here, search for it, registry editor, click on it. Okay guys, you simply click on yes. So once you're here, I already did that. So once you're here, you simply click on current user. You simply need to look for, under software, you look for Chrome, delete the extension that is under Chrome browser. You can see that's under Google. You delete the extension from Chrome browser, you delete it. So after that, we are going to go up again. Okay, we'll come on that is users, that is the H key users. You click on it also. Okay, no, local machine users. Okay, that's software. You simply search for Chrome, that is Google, click on it. So after that, you are going to see Chrome extension. You can just decide to just delete all the Chrome. Okay, from there now you simply close your browser. Okay, you open your browser. So guys, as you can see, we just successfully solved that issue. You can go and check. Actually right now you can now change your search engine to whatsoever you want to do. That is, you want to change it, that's it. So guys, that's actually the way you solve that issue. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.